how to create Amino account. So if you want to create Amino account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply check your internet connection, go with the Play Store or your App Store and search for Amino. Once you've searched, make sure to install the application, and if you have any updates, then you can simply update. Once you've updated, you can simply open your Amino application, tap on allow the notifications, and now to create an account, what you need to do is simply go with the upper left, which has that profile or the person shaped icon, and from here you can go with don't have an account, sign up. Tap on sign up, and then you can continue with your Facebook or continue with your Google. So I'll be choosing continue with Google, which will be easy, and choose a Google account from your device, and after that it will take the information from your Google and it will be easy for you to sign up. So enter your date of birth and then tap on OK and tap on next and confirm, and you need to create a password. So create a password of minimum 6 characters, and after that tap on next, and now create your profile and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on finish signing up and your account has been created. Now you can simply start and go with your gender, tap on next, or you can simply skip this process, which will be on the upper right. You can simply skip that, or you can simply choose anything and tap on next and tap on done with your interest, and that's it. That's how you can create your Amino account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.